Hi, I'm Nicholas Hemingway of Hemingway.com, and I'd like to introduce you to our Mark II Everlasting Mechanical Pencil. Last year's campaign was a great success, and we thank each and every one of you who got involved. We just hope that you like the second one as much as the first. We think it's even more beautiful. It's a lot more streamlined, and we just hope that you love it as much as we do. Thank you. We've made this pencil even more beautiful than the last, sleeker, smoother, and we didn't even think that was possible. The Mark II Everlasting Mechanical Pencil comes in aluminium, brass or stainless steel, and all come with a brushed brass nib. These pencils are available in 0.3, 0.5, 0.7 and 0.9mm lead thicknesses. The choice is yours. Oh, and they come with rubbers too.